Welcome back to the NoProjects video series. In this episode, the next few episodes, I want to look at another aspect of the problem with projects, and that is that projects are, by definition, big pieces of work. These don't fit the software development life cycle very well. Projects are, by definition, a big piece of work. The project model is optimized for big pieces of work. You very rarely set up a project if what you're talking about is a few days of work or a few weeks of work even. When you have small pieces of work to do, the project model is highly inefficient. If you think about if you're doing a project in a very traditional way, the time it spends to come up with the requirements document, to approve the requirements document, to come up with a project plan, come up with all the estimates and all the other data you put into a project plan, to establish a risk log and to indicate all the artifacts that go into a traditional project before you even get close to project initiation sign-off. Setting up projects is inefficient. Running a project on a small piece of work is inefficient. As a result, the project model is a model for large work, for big pieces of work. As a result, it pushes decisions upwards to the senior people, to the important people in the organisation, people who can sign off expensive undertakings, people who can have a lot of authority to sign off costs. This also means that authority is pushed upwards, authority is pushed up to the more senior people, and when they do make those decisions are enacted downwards, so it reinforces the model of senior people at the top of the organisation making decisions and the people at the bottom of the organisation having little say, authority in what is done. Projects are overwhelmingly a big idea. Projects are a big batch of work. Projects have lots of requests, lots of requirements. They come along, a project comes along, and it brings a lot of work in one go to be done. The problem is that when it's done in large, software is more expensive. Big software costs more per feature, line of code, whatever your unit of measurement. Big software developments are more expensive than small software developments per unit of deliverable. It also increases the risk. When you push more changes into one software delivery, you increase the risk associated with that delivery. Because of these factors and others, we reduce the return on investment. Quite often we can increase the return on investment simply by restructuring how the work is done. Software development is best done in the small batches of software development. Small batches of software development reduce the risk inherent in software development, and regular delivery increases the return on investment. Software is better off done in the small. In the next episode, I'm going to expand on these problems and then I'll move on to suggestions and solutions. The next episode is entitled Diseconomies of Scale. I'll see you shortly.